We'll guide you through how to unhide hidden apps on iOS 26. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You may have an app or multiple apps you don't want other people to go and access in case they're using your phone. So what we can do is go and set this up, so we'll guide you through how this can be done. So to do this, we can actually go and create an automation and a shortcut. So to do this, we need to go and find the Shortcuts app. By default, it's going to be in the utilities folder on the second page, but you can always go and drag down on your phone like so, and you can then go and find shortcuts like so and go and open up the app. So to get started, you need to go to the bottom left. There you'll go and find the option for library. I have got some already here, so we can go and press the plus in the top right. Now here we need to go and press search actions, go and type in lock like so, and you want to go and find the option for lock screen and go and select that there. That's all we need to do here, and press the back button in the top left. You go and see it's now appeared at the top. Next, come to the bottom and press automation. I haven't got any here, so I can go and press new automation. If you have, press the plus in the top right and we'll get to the same screen. Press search at the bottom and we need to go and type in app like so and select it. Then you can press choose to the right of app. You need to go and choose the apps you want to go and have locked. So when these are run, the iPhone will be locked. So what we can then do is go and select these. I'll do the App Store and the Authenticator. It could just be one though, it doesn't matter. Then press the tick in the top right like that. Make sure you go and select is opened. So that means it happens when it's opened. And you want to go and make sure you select run immediately. And you can switch off notify when run as well. Then you can press next. And then we need to go and choose what's going to happen. So of course, we want the screen to go and be locked. So what you can do is go and press my shortcuts and go and find the one we just made. Mine was lock screen 3, and that's it. So now when I go and open up those apps, we're going to go and have it locked. For example, if I go and open up the App Store, you'll go and see it then goes and locks. And then to go and use the iPhone again, I'll have to go and use Face ID or enter in the passcode for it. So that's it. Now you can go and stop that by going back to the Shortcuts app, and you can go and delete the automation, and then it won't go and run anymore. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.